Just 31 days left for the Olympic Games to begin, but will the event happen or not? Yes, that question is still being asked. The organizers keep reassuring that the Olympic Games will remain safe from the Wuhan virus, but the pandemic is still casting its shadow over the Games. A vaccinated member of Uganda's Olympic team has tested positive in Japan. And India has accused the organizers of imposing unfair rules on Indian sportspersons. Our next report tells you more about the chaos that is unfolding in Japan.
The virus still lurks in the air of Japan, but the organizers of the Olympics are hoping that they can keep it out of here. The Olympic Games village in Harumi, where temperature checks are mandatory, and reminders to wear masks are plastered on the entrance of every room that the athletes will be using. But even before the players could occupy this state-of-the-art facility, the virus has made a breach. A coach in Uganda's Olympic team has tested positive even after vaccination. The coach has been barred from entering Japan. The Japanese are wondering if they should tighten the checks further, but their approach is being called unfair. India is complaining about the quarantine rules. Japan will impose stricter quarantine on players from countries with more COVID-19 cases. The Indian Olympic Association, or the IOA, is unhappy. It believes these containment rules are unfair to the Indian athletes. The organizers decided to delay the arrival of players from the worst-hit countries, so Indian athletes will be allowed in just 5 days before their events. The IOA says the players will lose crucial training time. That's not all. The Indian side is also worried about the food arrangement for the players. Also, access to practice and training areas. The organizers are yet to clarify if Indian athletes will be allowed soon after their arrival. The organizers are battling fires on every front. The demand to cancel the event is growing. Close to 430,000 people have signed an online petition calling for a cancellation. A recent poll found that more than 70% of Japan wants the Games to be cancelled or postponed. The organizers, on the contrary, are opening doors for fans. 10,000 spectators can now attend the Games.
In light of the Japanese government's restrictions on public events, the spectator limit for the Olympic Games will be set at 50% of venue capacity, up to a maximum of 10,000 people in all venues.
In the past, the Olympics have proved to be a symbol of global solidarity. But with new variants driving up the cases worldwide, the Olympics face the risk of becoming a super spreader event. It is a threat that the organizers cannot afford to ignore. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.